Hi, my name is Deniff Lara, and I'm a UTSA alum with a bachelor's in Sociology and Public Administration and a minor in nonprofit management. During my time at UTSA, I was given resources to reach my full potential and opportunities to take on new challenges. UTSA welcomed me, and right from the start, it was clear that they saw to see me succeed. I learned about many resources like TRIO Student Support Services. TRIO was my stronghold. They became like family, helping me thrive during tough times and providing holistic support for my needs, including personalized tutoring services for first-generation students like me. At UTSA, I met amazing professors that invested in my success and inspired me to do the same for others. I learned a lot from my classes like fundraising and nonprofit management, and even got to work hands-on with nonprofit organizations and leaders throughout the city. With opportunities like these, I honed in my skills like public speaking, community engagement, and active listening, which were crucial for my current job in the nonprofit world. UTSA is my home, and I'm so thankful for the essential skills they provided, enabling me to make a difference in the world.